my mom's stuffed tomatoes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these 4 tomatoes and we are going to cut the top off. You take the serrated knife all the way around and take the meat of the tomato out. And basically take the tomato and just take it all out. And these are the beefsteak tomatoes, so you want a big tomato to do this. Try not to cut through the actual skin of the tomato because you want it to be intact when it bakes. We're gonna save the tomato and the lid and continue doing the exact same thing with all 4 tomatoes. 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of chicken broth right in there. And then a little bit of dried oregano, yummy. And about 1/4 cup of basil, tons of basil. Then some salt and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And let's put everything in the blender and we're gonna puree it all together. I have to add about 1/2 cup of pulp, tomato pulp in there. Okay, here we go. Look at that. So next, we are going to add the rice. We have to add 3/4 cup of our borio rice. Look how beautiful this is. And we're gonna grab a big spoon. There we go. So now, I grab my dish and we are going to take the tomatoes and we're gonna place them. I wanna season the tomatoes. I didn't put any pepper in here, but you can definitely add pepper. Just take the filling and fill the tomatoes, just like that. Fill the tomatoes almost to the top. Here we go. Looks good, right?